Thank you to Woxter for sending us this sample. This is the Scriba 195S. Blue, because of the color. It's not called blue, it's just this is the blue one. It has a 4.7-inch e-ink HD Pearl Plus screen, 4 gigs of onboard storage, and a micro USB. Now this box is very nice. I like how thick it is, I like how sturdy it is, it's got a good stock. But, fun fact, these are all made by Wyben. Every single one of their units at Woxter are all Wyben products. And as you know, if you've been following our coverage, Wyben is the OEM and they're the guys that make the factory units. But all the same, this is a Spanish company doing their best in the e-reader world. We have some security tags here, so we're going to rip those off. These guys definitely have a very good approach when it comes to packaging. So far, we haven't seen the inside yet, but it's already better than Wyben. You see, the point about Wyben is that it's a very source company. Wyben is the source, so they put everything in just a regular white box and then they sell it off. And other companies like these guys buy it and repackage it into a better looking kind of experience. You get this nice kind of fleece bag. You get a manual de usuario, how to use it, user manual. That is a huge tome of a user manual just for a single small screen e-reader. That's amazing. Now, you know what? This is the same as the Wyben P47L, sorry. So we have seen it before, but if you guys have never seen the Wyben coverage, then you'll be pleasantly surprised that this is new. You get a micro USB. I know. Nothing to say about that. It's micro. And here it is. This is one of the only small e-book readers in the market right now. You have the Ink Palm by Xiaomi, you have the Palma by Onyx, and you have the Kobo Mini's gone. You got this, you got the Wyben, which is really the same thing, and you get, I guess you get the Hisense phones, but this is an actual ebook reader. It is extremely lightweight. This is a feather. It's crazy. I feel like there's nothing in there. It almost looks, it feels like one of those samples you get at Best Buy that don't actually have the goods inside. But let's power it on for the first time and see if it has any batteries, which it does, and we'll take off this protective film. You see, the benefit of going with something like these guys over Wyben is that they're a little bit more ready for you to use their unit. No, it doesn't have a touchscreen. That's what these keys are for. But all of this is going to be explored in the review. I'm so glad they sent us a blue one. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. We just started communication with Woxter in Spain. That's it, everybody. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2023 Scriba 195S. This one is blue from Woxter.